Hey, what is up people? Hope you guys are having a great day and welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. And we're back with another video, and in today's video it's on how you guys can log in into a Potbelly account. Now remember, if you are the employee of Potbelly, then only you guys can log in into it, because you guys can only log in into Potbelly if you guys are employed, because they only give account to employee, alright? Now for those people who do not know Potbelly, then Potbelly is like a food chain. It has its branch in different places, alright? So that's the short description of it. If you guys want to know more about it, you can visit its website. Now, if you guys want to log in into Potbelly, follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show you the steps, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. Let's jump right into the video. So you want to go to your search engine and you want to search for Potbelly employee login. After you search for it, you want to click on where it says sign in Potbelly Sandwich Shop. Alright, so you want to click on it. Click on it, it's going to take you to Potbelly's official page. Now once you're over here, you need to enter your email. Once you enter your email, you need to enter your password. After entering your email and password, you want to click on sign in, and if your email and password which you typed over here is correct, then basically you should be able to sign into Potbelly. And if you guys forgot your password, then you can click on reset password and you can recover your password by clicking on it. So that's basically how we guys can log in into Potbelly as an employee, alright? So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And hope you guys have a nice day. I'll see you guys in the next video.